Good morning. I've been really excited to show this to you. I am really short on time. I've got to get my tomatoes in the ground. They are not all in the ground yet. So what I've done instead of digging out a row is I dug a huge pot-sized hole, the size of a huge pot, and I'm going to plant the tomato right in the middle. I've got one there, and one here. I just have to go through it and make sure I don't have a lot of runners. I do have this really weird grass that is made for pastures, and its roots is what keeps it alive. So if it's trampled down by cattle or horses, it'll grow back. It's horrible. It is so tough that it'll grow through a potato. Not too many, but it's happened. But anyway, I just want to let you know that I'm working really hard. And here's my compost. Let's see what's under here. Yep, look at that. Look at that. There's a lot of worms in there. This is where Miss Belly comes and has her lunch. Look at all that. She just loves it. There they go. So if you want a lot of worms and you don't want to mess around with a worm bed, just compost, pure compost. It's all vegetable, coffee grounds too. Yep, I even throw the onions in, I throw the citrus peels in, I throw it all in. And the worms do the work. How about that, huh? Anyway, you have a wonderful day. Here comes the bees.